Greetings and welcome to the Worship Design Studio. I'm Dr. Marcia McFee, and over the last 20 plus years of consulting with churches and teaching worship, I have seen it all. But what I've learned is that there are 5 basic things that churches can do right away to enhance their worship, no matter the size of church or the style of worship. Today, I am prepping all of the video messages that accompany the 6 weeks of the Reboot journey. I'll be taking you all around San Francisco area where I live. I'm so excited about what I've got planned for you. I want to give you that long view of your worship, that idea of what you can do in incremental steps along the way over time. So here are the 5 things we're going to work on, and I'll be coaching you on in the Reboot Your Worship sessions that start January 13th. First, sometimes worship begins to feel rote, like we are moving through an agenda, a to-do list. How do we create deeply meaningful and memorable worship? Second week, sometimes it feels like worshipers are simply spectators, not engaged, not participating. How can we increase the participation of the congregation? On week 3, we'll talk about how we communicate the message through all the worship arts in effective ways in this 21st century, sensory-rich world. On the 4th week, we'll be asking the question, how can we be more deeply spiritual leaders? And how can we train others who lead worship to lead in a more meaningful way? Finally, in week 5, how do we go from clunky stop-and-go worship to worship that feels like a spiritual journey from beginning to end? How do we have better flow and better energy? So if you're feeling like you need a reboot, like when your computer gets sluggish and you don't have the time and expertise to clear it out and ramp it up, if you'd like a reboot with help from me, someone who's seen it all and has helped countless congregations do simple things that make a difference immediately, then join me in this reboot by signing up at the link below. Along the way, we'll get you planned ahead for an amazing Lent season that your church will never forget.